Hello dear students, welcome to social science class. So chapter number 3, rotation and revolution for class 5th part 5. In previous part we have completed what is rotation, what is revolution. Okay, so about revolve means rotation of the earth, day and night, okay, and revolution of the earth, seasons of the earth. So these all topics we have completed in this chapter number 3, rotation and revolution. So we have completed whole chapter, and today's topic is the student exercise part. So today we are solving in these chapters exercise. So part A, fill in the blanks. Part A is there here, student. Fill in the blanks. So number 1, dash and dash are two movements of the earth. Two movements of the earth. You know student, you have learned previous parts. The answer you know that dash and dash are two movements of the earth. So answer is there student, rotation and revolution. That answer is there. See here student, rotation and revolution. Okay, and second one, second question, rotation and revolution. Revolution, take dash and dash days to complete respectively. To complete respectively. Okay student, rotation, it has the taking the time in one complete circle that 24 hours, and revolution, it has taking the days that 365 days. Okay student. Question number 3, earth revolves. Earth revolves around the sun in a fixed dash. Earth revolves around the sun is a fixed, the answer is elliptical. The answer is elliptical orbit. Elliptical orbit. And next question students, see here. A leap year has. A leap year has dash days. The answer is there, 366 days in the leap year. And question number 5, 22 December marks dash and 21st June marks dash. Okay, student, see here, 22 December marks winter and 21st June marks here summer. Okay, so once again I repeating this whole. First question, rotation and revolution are two movements of the earth. Rotation and revolution are two movements of the earth. Second one, rotation and revolution, it has take 24 hours and 365 days to complete respectively. Question number 3, earth revolves around the sun is fixed elliptical orbit. Is fixed elliptical orbit. And next, a leap year has 366 days. Question number 5, 22 December marks winter and 21st June marks summer. Okay, student, you should be write neatly this fill in the blanks. So answers are there, no? You should be write, you use black pen, and some this white chalk I wrote here, you use it blue pen. Okay, in the fill in the blanks only that. Okay, so next part I am continuing. See you, student. Part A, fill in the blanks is completed here, and part B, student, see here. Part B, true or false? True or false? Question number 1. Rotation and revolution. Rotation and revolution take place alternately. See a student. Rotation and revolution takes place alternately. Here given the question, you say true or false. Actually, you have learnt in this chapter, rotation and revolution takes place simultaneously. Okay, so this answer is false. This answer is false. And next one, question number 2. Revolution is primarily responsible for causing tides. See a student, revolution is primarily responsible for causing tides. So it is the answer here. So actually day and nights means the earth rotation is the causes to the tides. It's a causing tides. Rotation. It's a not revolution. So this answer is also false. This answer is also false. And next question, question number 3. a leap year has 366 days. A leap year has 366 days. So this answer is true. Question number 4. If it is night in India, if it is night in India, it would be night in USA, night in USA. Tell the answer, student. The question is there, if it is night in India, at the same time in USA also night. So we have learnt in the calculating time zone. Okay, so some days and night it causes also the time. When in India night, so in USA here day. So this answer is false. This answer is false. Okay. And next question you see here, student. Question number 5. If 25 December is included in a year, it would be a leap year. It would be a leap year. See a student. If 25 December is included in a leap year, it would be, okay, leap year. So in a year, it would be a leap year. See here. If, once again you see here, if 25 December is included, 25 December also included in a year, it would be a leap year. Okay, it's a true. Otherwise, you not including 25 December also, so one day minusing. In leap year, one day minusing means again they have the 365 days. When you are adding these 25 December also, when you are adding in leap year, so we call this a leap year. Okay students, here B part is completed, true or false. So once again I am repeating this whole. Rotation and revolution takes place alternately. Answer is false. Revolution is primarily responsible for causing tides. Answer is false. A leap year has 366 days. Answer is true. If it is night in India, it would be night in USA. The answer is false. If 25 December is included in a year, it would be a leap year. So this answer is also true. Okay student, you should be write neatly, good handwriting in fair book. Afterwards completing your work, you send it my WhatsApp number. Okay. So next here today's topic is exercise part is part A and part B completed here. And next part I am continuing in next session. Thank you.